While WTI failing to break past 79.880 levels, it has dropped sharply and went in towards 76.4 levels. Likewise, NG2 has traded bearish and this time it has dropped below 2.5, in fact achieved 2.48. Now what to expect? Can we expect them to continue with this bear run, or is it going to bounce back? If yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Also do watch till the end. First we'll look into crude followed with NG. Listen to it carefully and note down the levels. Let's start. And on the hourly charts first, now see on the hourly charts, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. It is trading in this bearish channel. But on the hourly charts, another important factor is this time the lows were not the bottom of the channel. Yes, it tried to drop, but it failed to break the bottom of this channel, which means that should not be still considered as bearish till the time it breaks below 75 levels. Now why these levels are important, I will tell you once I get back to the daily charts. Now look at the hourly chart, sharp drop here and then this retreat. And also if you look closely on the candles, here it is getting maximum resistance, and hence if you see it trading above 77.5, buy for 78, 78.5 levels, and only if it trades above 79. Now this is a very strong resistance level. Only and only if it trades above 79, you can consider it to be bullish. So buy at 77.5, expect 78, 78.4, 78.8. And then 79.2, 79.8. See, keep booking at every milestones, because right now, yes, it has reversed all the gains what it has seen yesterday, and yes, and hence we have to keep respecting the levels till the time it gives a considerable or confirmed breakout. It is still very much in the bear zone. Directional movement here is bearish, stochastic rising and now into the overbought zone. The MACD is willing to converge crossover and look forward to a bullish move. See, it has come to the bottom again, and possibly it may look forward to fewer green candles or a slight upward movement. RSI has come out of the oversold zone with the sharp drop and a little retracement. Now look at the 2-hour chart. See, 2-hour chart indicates it is very clearly now in the in this bearish channel, trading in this bearish channel. And now remember one fact, that only and only if crude is seen trading above 80, you should consider this as bullish. Till the time it trades below 80, do not consider this as bullish. Every rise is an opportunity to sell, possibly till the time it is rather into this bearish channel, till the time it trades below 80, and hence you should trade with caution till then. Now look at directional movement. This is bearish. Stochastic is oversold, trying to reverse again, trying to rise again. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. RSI is near to the bottom, trying to trade bullish, moderate bullish bias. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, look at these two candles here. See, the body size is not, you can say diminishing in nature. It means that the bullishness has diminished here. Hence, yes, if you see it trading above 77.5, you can buy. But then 78, 78.4 levels are the next stronger resistance, and only if it trades above 79, you can expect little more bullishness, which might take it for 79.4, 79.5 first resistance, and then 80 levels also. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, you can see this higher lows are seen, and this candle is trying to show a little retracement on the upside. I'll wait for it to break out. Else, if you see it trading below 76.8 levels, you can sell again. Expect 76.4, 76, and then 75 levels can be expected. Directional movement bearish, stochastic at bottom. The MACD is divergent and bearish here on the 4-hour charts. Also, RSI is bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, you can see this lower highs, lower lows, and this is an expanding triangle. Possibly once it draws below 76.8, yes, the next candle, the fresh candle on this chart is yet to begin, and once you see it dropping below 76, then you can expect. See, one more thing to observe here is, now it is breached below the lows of this channel, which is moderately bullish channel, and the highs were also failed to break past the highs of this channel. failed to achieve rather the highs of this channel, which means it's still there is a downward pull, and once it drops below this time 75 levels, you can consider that there is going to be little more bearishness, and then it can stretch the downward move till towards 70 to 70 levels in the near future. Hence we have to be very careful. Once you see it at 74-75 levels, remember it can bring more bears in crude oil for the month of February. Direction movement on the daily charts is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish here, and see this is still looking down. RSI is looking down too. Considering this, for the day you can sell at 76.8, buy at 77.5, but remember you have to strictly trade with a trailing stop loss on the upside, because it is failing to get past by 80 levels, which is definitely a very strong resistance level. Only bullish confirmation is above $80 levels, and hence you have to keep booking your profits till the time it is below 80. You have to put a trailing stop loss or keep shifting your stop loss to your first milestone, or in profit whenever you see, either book 50% at first milestone, wait for the next milestone. For example, yes, you can buy at 77.5, expect 78 as the first target, keep booking profits there, re-enter if you see it's trading in the same bullish direction, expect 78.5, 78.8, and then 79.2, 79.5. So every $0.4, $0.3 there is little resistance. Do not wait for it to give you bigger strikes, bigger moves. Yes, you have to make profits from the movement itself, whatever little movement you are getting there. At the same time, a sell entry is below 76.8 levels. Below that 76.4, 76 levels are the next target. If it breaks below 76, it will bring more bearishness, which might take it for 75 and then 74 levels. Remember, 75-74 zone, if it breaks, it should be considered bearish for the nearest term, which may break it strongly. Trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch is going to start on 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at NG on the hourly charts. You can find there's little resistance there on the upside, and only bullish confirmation is if you see it trading about 2.55 and then 2.57 levels. Beyond this only you can expect that there is a sign of a reversal, and then this stronger resistance zone at 2.65 levels is seen. See, it has seen a sharp decline here, and now trading with this support here at 2.5 levels, which is definitely a good support. Now if you look at directional movement, this is bearish. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is bearish, willing to converge, crossover for the buy entries. RSI is oversold, trying to bounce back. And yes, if you look at the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts it is giving you higher lows, higher highs. So yes, once it breaks past 25 convincingly, certainly little more bearishness might take it for 2.48, and below 2.48 you can expect 2.45 levels. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI oversold here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too, it is trying to give you a breakout below 2.5. Certainly 2.48, 2.45 levels can be expected, and above 2.55 certainly little more bullishness can be seen, but do not trade between 2.5 and 2.55 levels at least. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI oversold here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, so even if it tries to trade bullish, you can see this, it is still trading in this zone. Now 2.7, 2.8 levels, which are, so it has to break past now 2.8 in order to show you signs of recovery. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD again divergent and bearish here. RSI again oversold. See, NG not showing any signs of recovery. It is extremely trading with extreme bearishness here. Now see this on the daily charts also, couple of minor retracement candles and one big breakout candle. Now if you look at, if you join this lows and highs, you can see this is the channel in which it is trying to trade, which is a very much bearish channel, and there is no signs of reversal unless first it breaks out beyond 2.8 and then $3 levels. Only above 3 you can consider on the daily chart that there is little signs of a reversal here. Now look at directional movement. Divergent bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD is in green. See, despite trading at the lows here, it is still in green. Just because it is showing minor signs of couple of greener candles and a sharper drop. Though it is achieving lower lows, it's still in green here. The RSI is trading oversold here on the daily charts consistently, which means there should be a bounce back or a gap up maybe next week only. Right now, first it has to break past 2.8 in order to trade bullish, else it can show you further signs of bearishness. So you can sell at 2.5 but then expect 2.48 first resistance level, and below 2.48 we can expect further bearishness taking it till towards 2.45 and below levels. See, after a couple of greener candles it is showing you a little retracement, then there could be second red candle also. At the same time, on the upside, only if it trades beyond 2.65 for the day, though you can buy at 2.55 but then expect 2.58, 2.62 and then 2.65 levels. And yes, once it trades beyond 2.65 there could be little more bullishness taking it for 2.7, and above 2.7 only there should be a little more rise which might take it above 2.8. Chances are less, but yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. So on the upside till 2.8 you have to remain very cautious. Do not consider this as bullish, and hence every rise is in you should keep booking profit at every rise. On the downside, yes, it is extremely oversold, and hence on the downside also you have to remain cautious and alert, because see, this is oversold, so it can show you a retracement or reversal any point of time, but right now it is not showing any signs. Still, both on the upside and downside you should trade with caution. Sell at 2.5 and buy at 2.55 levels. On the downside, 2.48, 2.45 levels are the next target, and below that further bearishness will be seen. On the upside, only rise is about 2.8 levels. However, you can buy at 2.55, expect a little rise. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, and yes, join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. Thank you.